Have you ever felt like your MagSafe accessories were not so safe? The OpenCase phone case's patented design is built for MagSafe or Qi2 accessories. The open space in an open case creates a lip around accessories that prevents them from sliding around or shearing off. It makes it much harder for them to come off unless you intentionally take them off. Plus, the open case design also makes the case plus accessory combination thinner and lighter too, because it removes the layer of material between the phone and the accessory. But wait, what about MagSafe charging? OpenCase makes that better too. The opening in the open case lets you charge directly on the back of your iPhone with nothing in the way Apple recommends for optimal performance. And since OpenCase works with the magnets built into your phone, you're not locked into a system that is dependent on a proprietary mechanism built into a specific phone case. That means you should be able to use most MagSafe or Qi2 accessories that fit in the open space. And you aren't limited to just a few that are designed specifically for compatibility. In addition to our cases, we also sell a suite of accessories that are perfectly sized for the opening in an open case. They also work on any phone or case with built-in MagSafe or Qi2. Shop the collection at theopencase.com.